Wait, what?
No one's gonna cage this bird.
What does that mean?
It means from whenever if I put my song on YouTube and people like it, and someone tries to get me onto like something to me to like get famous and stuff, and that's the cage, and I'm the bird, so nobody's gonna cage this bird ever. Because all they want to do is spend money for people to come over to see my singing. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not bragging for my singing. I'm not a very good singer.
Oh, but you do sing like a bird.
Thanks.
You sing like a bird.
I don't understand.
Birds sing.
I know,
Okay, I was continuing furthering the analogy. I'm
I
sorry.
know that, but in plants. No, but I'm not a bird.